Have you ever wanted to create a full animated video, but got stuck because it's too hard, too expensive, or takes too much time? You need script writing, then storyboarding, then animation tools, then editing. It feels like you need a full studio just to make one simple video. And that's the biggest problem for most creators today. But what if I told you there is a tool where you just type one prompt and it creates a full cinematic animation for you? Meet OiiOii.ai, the world's first pro-grade AI animation agent. Just one idea to full animation. Now here's where it gets powerful. With Viral Clone, you can take any trending video style and recreate it instantly. For example, a viral storytelling reel, a trending cinematic TikTok, a popular YouTube short style video. Just drop the idea or reference, and OiiOii understands the structure, pacing, and style. Then recreates it in your own version. First, upload your reference video and select the Video Reimagine feature. Once you do that, the AI will begin processing the video. It will first split the video into individual shots, then analyze each scene, identify the characters, and decode the camera movements and cinematic style. After the analysis is complete, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the video, including the narrative elements, timing, cinematography, visual treatment, color style, and sound. If you're happy with the analysis, click Customize Now. This will open the editing screen where you can replace characters, modify scenes, add reference images, change character outfits, and customize different elements of the video. You can also simply type a prompt describing the changes you want. For example, I'm using a video of a man sitting in a bar. My prompt is, keep everything exactly the same as the original video. Only add a beautiful, vibrant parrot sitting on the man's shoulder. After entering the prompt, click Generate. The AI will process your request and create updated scene details, including the lighting, color grading, and visual prompts. Finally, click Generate All to render the complete video. And that's it. As you can see, the new video is ready. And I can download it in full HD quality. This is the Video Reimagine feature, which lets you recreate viral videos while easily customizing and enhancing them with AI. Next, let's look at one of OiiOii's most useful new features, Skills. First, go to the left sidebar and click Skills. Here, you can browse the actual categories available on the platform, such as creators, marketing, games, and merchandise design. For this example, I'll select marketing, then choose short play ads. After selecting the skill, OiiOii guides you through the production process step by step. First, enter the product name and upload the product image. Next, add the key selling points you want to highlight. Then, select the language and the preferred video duration. After that, you can choose or upload a model and select the scene or environment for the advertisement. OiiOii will then generate an advertising script based on the information provided. You can review the script, make changes if needed, and confirm it before moving to the next step. The platform will then generate the model, environments, and scenes for the video. Once everything is confirmed, click Generate All Videos and wait for OiiOii to create the final advertisement. And here is the finished result. The key difference is that Skills is not just normal prompting, it provides a structured, guided workflow so you know exactly what information to provide at each stage of the production process. You can use OiiOii for YouTube animation videos, TikTok and Instagram reels, storytelling channels, brand ads, AI content businesses. So, if you're a creator, editor, or someone who wants to produce content faster, OiiOii is worth trying. And if you sign up using the invite link, You get extra credits compared to normal users. Check out OiiOii.ai, join the Discord, start creating your first AI animation today. Stop struggling with complex tools and start directing your own AI-powered animations.